If these buttons like the recent button, home button or this back button present on the navigation bar is not working in your Samsung phone after update, then what you do is, the first thing is you have to restart your phone. If you have recently updated your phone and not restarted, then open the notification panel, tap on this power icon here and then restart the phone. The next thing that you will do is you will go to settings here, then go to display, navigation bar, and you have to toggle between swipe gestures and button for a few times. For example, select swipe gestures, then again select buttons, again select swipe gestures, then again button. So do this for 2-3 times and check if this will fix the issue or not. Now the last resort for you is you can reset all settings in your Samsung phone. But when you do this one, then if you have made any customizations such as custom ringtone, custom home screen, then it will be gone. So you have to do this one at your own risk. For that one, you have to go to settings here, go to general management, go to reset, select reset all settings and then reset settings. Now you have to enter the PIN code that you use to unlock your phone and your phone will be reset. No data will be deleted, only the customizations will be removed. Thank you for watching the video. Please mention in the comment which step fixed your issue. Also like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.